Hey, what's going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to live stream here on YouTube. Let me get this out of the way and get it set up and going. All right, cool. Okay, I'm just trying to set up a few things here and then we're gonna get started. As you guys start to pour in, let me know that you're here by giving some thumbs up and writing in the chat box as well, letting me know that you're here. Meanwhile, I am going to set some things up here. All right, awesome. Okay, guys. Yeah, give me some ones in the chat box if you're here and you can hear me loud and clear. Otherwise, give me some likes. I just want to make sure that we are a go. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be redesigning my website. I'll actually go ahead and throw it up on the screen here so that you can see it. Let me just come over to my stream here, and we're going to share my screen. All right, cool. So you should be seeing that now. Let me get this out of the way. So if you look at my old website, it's like super messed up, right? There's just like not much going on here. Um, my opt-in box is messed up. I've got posts that aren't where they're supposed to be. They're just like gone. Down here, there's these custom post things, and rather than messing with like that old stuff, I just wanted to kind of go and redo things. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And you'll notice that I keep looking over here. I'm checking the chat box over there. So if you guys want to pop in and say something, go for it. I see someone says, please make more videos related to SEO. Yeah, I definitely will be doing that. Been doing a lot of SEO videos, and thank you very much. I appreciate that. So yeah, today we're gonna rebuild a website and show you kind of the process of that. And of course, that is related to SEO. So you want to have a good website too in order to do SEO. So let's jump into it. The chat box is really delayed. I love the mobile streaming quite a bit better because the chat box isn't delayed on the mobile, but oh well, we'll manage, right? Okay. So I've done is I've gone and found a theme off of a site called themeforest.com. I actually go to it and show you. ThemeForest is great. If you're not like a great designer and you don't know how to code, that's all right. You can still build a website. That's what's awesome. So ThemeForest has like all these different WordPress themes that you can put in there. You can go through, click WordPress, and then you can go through and scroll through. Some of them are $25, some of them are $50 to $60, but that is the typical going rate. But what I typically like to do is I like to find what's called multi-purpose themes. So let me see. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click bestsellers. So you'll notice there's a lot of these themes like this. Aveda is a multi-purpose theme. 5X, this one is miscellaneous. So probably multi-purpose, Unfold, responsive, multi-purpose. So what I did is I found a theme I liked. It's called, let's see if we can find it on here. It's called Total is the name of it. I don't see it, but it's called Total Theme. And I like the way it looked. It had a bunch of great templates. And what I've done is I've set up a local version of WordPress on my computer. So this, you can see if you look at the URL here, it says localhost / Paul James. So that is set up on my computer. And I'm using a service called MAMP to run this. So basically the way this works, and you don't have to do it this way, you could just set up your website if you want, and then, just go and build it out. But because my site is already live, right, my existing site, I didn't want to mess with it while it was live. So I set up this MAMP server, which you can go download this program for free. I believe I actually have a tutorial on my YouTube channel as well. So if you want to just look back in the video, how to install WordPress locally, I think is what the video is called. And it shows you how to install MAMP and set up WordPress on your computer. But basically, it allows you to run a WordPress site right on your computer without having to be on the internet, without the site being live. and you can totally design your entire site right on your computer. And once it's done, you can transfer everything over to your live site. Someone says, can you please recommend any free site for choosing a niche? The site I recommend for niche selection is a site called Keywords Everywhere. So if you go to keywordseverywhere.com, there's a little plugin that you can download. It's for Chrome, and then that will allow you to do some keyword research. So that'd be the one I'd recommend. All right, cool. Okay, so this is one of the demos that came out of the theme straight out of the box. And I'm gonna start with this one. I don't really like the way it looks totally yet. I'm not super happy with it yet. But what I like about this one is that my blog is highly focused on video, right? Like I shoot these YouTube videos all the time. So what I want is a site that's going to allow me to do videos and put these videos on my site, and it's going to, look good. And for the most part, the videos look good, right? I can put these videos on my site and they're just, they're there, they look good. So I'm going to work with that. And what I've done is I've gone into the theme settings. So let me show you how to get there first off. So I went to appearance and I went to themes, and then inside of themes, there's this customize button, and that's where I am right now. So already you can kind of see what I've done is I've taken that boxy look that it had before, and I took it and I stretched it out all the way. So the way I did that was under the theme options, there's a layout section. And for the layout, I went and I moved it full width instead of boxed. And in my opinion, that made a huge difference already on the look of the site. I feel like box layouts are something that are, kind of old school. Like, it was pretty popular like a few years ago, but I just don't really feel like it's that popular right now to do a boxed layout. Okay, cool. So I'm just checking the stream here to make sure we're live and working okay. Give me some thumbs up if you can see everything okay. You can hear me okay. I just want to make sure I'm not talking to myself here. I don't do live streams on the computer very often. I normally do them from my phone, and it's a lot easier to monitor, but we're going to try from the computer today. Kind of like a webinar, only on YouTube. So kind of cool. Alrighty, let's get into it. So I think what I need to do is the background color I'm not totally sure about. I'm not totally sure if I like the green background color. It matches my logo, but still not 100% sold on it. I feel like maybe I'll like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start swapping around the text color here and see if it fits well. And I'm probably going to do that under typography. I'm kind of learning this theme as it goes. Every WordPress theme is a little bit different. So, you kind of have to play around with it. Someone says, works great, building my first site as well as we speak. So this is pretty cool. Awesome. I'm glad that this is helpful. And thanks for commenting. I appreciate it. So yeah, every theme is a little bit different, but this theme has a typography setting. And I think where I'm going to start is I'm going to start with these blog posts. So I can see we've got blog post entry title, blog post title. So I'm going to see if this messes around with this color by coming in here and bringing it white. So there we go. That's exactly what I was looking to do. I think that looks a little bit better. It stands out a little bit more. So we're going to leave that. And then we're going to, let's see, blog post title. I'm guessing that that's probably not going to be for this section. But let's just see. Let's turn it red to see if anything changes. Okay, so we're going to clear that because I don't know what that's for yet. Guessing that's probably for once I click on it and go to the site. Jeff, all I see is a little square in the chat box, so I'm not sure what you put in there. So, okay, let's go to, let's see, what do I want? Body. Let's try the body. And let's try changing the body to white. All right, that looks good. I might make it a little gray. Maybe a little bit off-white like that. We'll try that. I don't know for sure, but we're going to start with that. And let's bring the font up a little bit. So let's see, that's 10. Let's try 12. Try 18. Oh, I probably have to put the PX. There we go. Okay, that's a little bit too big. So I'm trying to find the right font level for me. So I think 15 pixels is good. I'm gonna leave it at 15. And that looks good. I don't know, I might want to change the what the actual font is, but we'll come back to that maybe. What else do we have? Blog entry title. I think we did that one already. Okay, let's mess with the sidebar stuff. So sidebar widget heading. Let's make that white. Actually, I don't really mind these buttons. So I might make, I'm going to pick a color of this button and I'm going to make that the title of the widgets. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we'll try it out. It's kind of all just trial and error. Jess says that was supposed to be a thumbs up. Okay. Yeah, I guess you can't do thumbs up in the chat, but you can hit the thumbs up button on the YouTube video, like the little thumb thing right underneath me. All right, there we go. So let's do that, and let's make those a little bit bigger. Let's try 15px on those. Oh, that was actually smaller. Let's try 18. Looks good. But I want the actual post to be different. So maybe we can find them somewhere. I don't know. Those are probably links. So let's go to links. It's probably under general. No body. So you kind of just have to play around because you just never really know where they're going to be. I might come back to it if I'm not finding it. So we'll come back and we'll mess with the links in a little bit. Sidebar. Oh, here it is. Text color. I think this might be what we're looking for. All right, well, that changed that. Link color. There we go. That's what I was looking for right there. Okay, cool. So we've got that. And now what we're going to want to do is, I guess, kind of make a decision. Is this color scheme working? What do you guys think? Should I leave the green background? Should I change it to something else? What do you guys think? Let me know. In the meantime, instead of saying just another WordPress site, let's go and swap that out. Probably under general theme options, I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but page header title. And I'll wait for you guys to comment what you think. Will I look for that title? Maybe under header. Blends too much with the white for me, not aesthetically pleasing. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure either. I kind of feel the same way. I'm really having a tough time finding this just another WordPress site and where it's at. I could always look at the theme documentation. Every theme comes with like a document that'll help you, figure out where everything is at. I guess I just haven't read it yet. Which at this point probably would make sense to do that, but whatever. Okay. All right, let's save this. I'm just going to see if it's in the theme options. It might be somewhere else. Sometimes it can be under appearance or not under appearance, under general settings right here, just another WordPress site. So that's where it was. Okay, so I'm going to put, I don't know, we'll just put something here for now. We'll just say online marketer or something. Or we'll say internet entrepreneur. And we'll save that. And in the meantime, let's try and figure out a good color for the background. Does anyone have any suggestions for the background? I could try and find an image maybe. I don't know. Not quite sure if I would like an image there or not, but there could be an option. Maybe a darker shade of green would make the text pop. Yeah, that's a possibility. We can try it out. So site background. The one downfall of, yeah, that actually looks a lot better. What do you guys think? I think that was a good idea, Jeff. I think it was a good call. I think it made it look 10 times better already. I'm going to save that for now. And you guys can let me know what you think. If you think that that looks a lot better, maybe we'll leave it like that. Lance says, Paul, you are amazing. I need more training from you. I bought numerous mini courses from you, but can't get things going. I need a little extra help. Thanks, Lance. I appreciate that. And, you know, would love to help out in any way possible. So I do these like YouTube videos and stuff like that. I would recommend my Maps Mentor 2.0 course. That's really the one I've really been focused on helping people in recently. It's really the only one I've been selling a lot of right now. And a lot of success stories out of that one. So if you haven't picked up that one yet, you should definitely check it out. Okay. So we're gonna keep going here and mess around. Maybe we'll swap things out a little bit. I'm not sure yet, you know, what we want to do. But anyways, we'll kind of come back to colors. Someone says go with just white. We can try it. Let's see what just white looks. I think it might look a little boring though. I mean, obviously the text has disappeared, but I don't know. Maybe we'll see. I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave it at the green for now, and then we'll come back to it. Maybe we'll decide to make it white. I'm not sure. I see we've got two whites in the chat box, so we might come back and make it white. I don't know. We shall see. And this is kind of the cool part, is that you can really mess with it and tweak things on the go with WordPress, and it's pretty easy to do. Okay, so I want to start loading in some of my videos in here to kind of get a feel for what it's going to look like. And I know that this theme is like a blog driven theme. And so what that means is that everything is put into posts basically. And the blog is actually the homepage. So if I just click on the homepage, that is the actual blog, shows up right on the homepage. So I'm going to go into the posts and I'm going to take a look at how they're structuring these posts, because since they are, since I have a very driven video site, I want to see how they're structuring the posts here and embedding the video. So I'm guessing they're doing it under this media section. And yep, sure enough, that's what they're doing. Just trying to see what other things they have in here that we can look at. Okay, so basically the way it's looking like is we've got the blog title. You know, you can put a blog post in, and then it's going to cut off some of that post and then give you a read more button. And then the video is going to go under media. Let's actually see what it looks like when we click on one of these blog posts. Okay, so it shows it. Okay, yeah, I like it. It looks cool. It looks good. I'm going to go with that. We're going to start loading in some videos. First, we're going to fix the permalinks though. Thanks, Jeff. I see Jeff says Maps Mentor is awesome, and he's telling you to check it out. So yeah, Lance, definitely check it out. It's an awesome course that has a lot of success stories out of it. So we've really been focusing on that for a long time. Can I send you a link to it? I'll throw it in the chat box. All right, there it is in the chat box. Okay, cool. Let's move forward and mess with these posts. So we need to change the permalink. And what I mean by that is, I'm going to zoom in so that you can see it a little bit better. You see right here how it says localhost /Paul James /2016 617 hello world. Like that permalink is really not SEO friendly. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to come under settings and we're going to come under permalinks, and we're going to switch that to the post name structure, which is basically going to make the permalink exactly what the post name is. So let's go ahead and do that and save the changes. And now when we go back to post and we click on that post again, you'll see what happens. Now the permalink is just, hello world or whatever the post name is. In this case, I think they edited the original post. Let's click on a different one. Okay, see, so it says the same thing, happy little feets for the permalink too. Okay, cool. So that's looking good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a test post to make sure that I know how to create posts now. And then after that, we're going to delete all of the other content on it. So let's go to my YouTube channel and let's start finding posts to fill up with. Okay, so let's start with this one, Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so we're going to grab this video URL. We're going to come in and add a new post. And I'm going to name it exactly what it is, Amazon affiliate marketing. We'll say with no website. Or we'll say no website needed. Cool. We can do a video. And for media, this is where we're going to put in our URL. Awesome. Let's throw in some tags. So I'm going to say Amazon affiliate marketing. We'll say associates program, because that's what Amazon's program is called. All right, cool. I will make a new category for this. We'll call this affiliate marketing. Well, I don't know. Let's call this tutorial. I don't really know what I'm going to do with categories yet. We'll just put in tutorial for now, and maybe we'll change it. And then for the date, I'm going to backdate it because I want the dates to line up with when I publish the video. So this date was May 21st, 2017. So that's what we're going to do. May 21st, 2017. Great. All right. So now we can go ahead and publish this. I didn't add any content in yet. I will, but I just want to see what it looks like. And if we refresh, oh, that's the old post. There we go. There it is. So pretty awesome. Obviously, I want to put in some blog content and stuff, but it's there. It looks good. That's kind of exactly what I was looking for. So I know I can delete the rest of the stuff. I really like how they do these tags too on this theme. And I may end up changing the color scheme. We may do something different with that, but it's a start, which is cool. And we'll probably put in a menu as well. Right now we've just got this, but we probably should have a menu. So, okay, let's go back and let's just add in some content here. So let's just say in this video, I walk through how to get started with the Amazon Associates program and affiliate marketing. Most of the time, you need a website to promote products on Amazon.com. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a way to get started without a website and without paying for traffic. All right, cool. Now, ideally, like when you're having a blog and you're trying to do content marketing, you're trying to rank for stuff, you'd want to put a longer article in. But for the sake of this, we'll just do this. Let's update that, and I want to see what it looks like too. So we'll refresh. Awesome. So it looks good. I can really get a feel now for how this site is coming together and what it's going to look like. And that's great. So one thing I want to do is I want to sort out this sidebar here. And I'm really curious as to how they got this opt-in form here. I'm wondering if that's something that's built in with the theme or not, because I'm definitely going to want to use an opt-in form. Lead collection is important to me. Obviously, I've started collecting leads on this site, my existing site, which is really broken and needs to be fixed. And that's why we're building out this new site. And I want to collect leads. So let's just see how we could go about doing that. So I'm going to come to appearance in widgets because that is where the opt-in form is located, is on the sidebar. And they're using MailChimp. I definitely don't want to use MailChimp. So that leaves me with an option to read their documentation to see if I can use something else, which doesn't look like I can. So I'm going to be stuck using one of my own tools. So let me hop over on my other screen here and see what we can use for this. I've got a tool in mind. I just have to remember what the password is for it and log in and check it all out. I think I found it. Let me just get logged in here and then I'll show you what it is. Okay, so I'm going to use a tool called Opt-in Monster. And I haven't used this tool for a long time, so I don't really remember too much about it, but I knew that it was a good tool, that I liked it at the time. Let's get rid of these old opt-ins here. Well, we'll create a new one and then we'll delete it. So I'm going to do a sidebar. And let's see here. There's a lot of different options. I'll try this one for now. Let's just call this new sidebar. And we'll say start building. Okay, not sure if I like that sidebar or not, so I'm going to go back. I don't know why they don't do a better job of showing you the templates. So let's look again. Let's try this one. Yeah, I think that one looks a lot better. Like, I feel like this one's going to grab more attention than the last one. Okay, so let's just figure out what we want here. So let's say I'm going to actually grab some copy from my registration page. I'm going to say how to land high ticket SEO clients. Even if you don't how to do SEO, even if you don't know how to do SEO yet. We're going to say free masterclass. So I'm going to basically invite anyone who signs up to a free masterclass on how to learn how to land SEO clients. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what these buttons are. I think this might be the logo. Yeah. Let's see if I can put in a different logo there. I'm going to try and find my logo. May or may not look good there, but we'll try it out and just see. I'm just searching for that. I know it's somewhere. I got a lot of files. If you guys have questions while we're doing this, feel free to ask, even if it's not related to this, if it's related to something else. Basically just hanging out here tonight. And figured while I was doing this, I may as well do a live stream for you guys while I'm doing it, because, it's maybe an interesting topic for some of you guys and a good opportunity for you to learn and, just hang out. Okay, I think I found it finally. I just need to find the one I want. All right, there it is. So I've got an icon that I'm going to throw in there. Oh, that was a JPEG file. PNG. There we go. Okay, insert image into opt-in. It's really big. I don't know if I can shrink it. Yeah, I'm just going to remove it entirely. I think it's distracting. So we'll just get rid of it entirely. Okay. Instead of saying add me to the list, let's say send me the master class. All right, cool. Let's see what else we've got here. Display name field. Yeah, I think I will. And then I'm wondering if I can remove this powered by opt-in monster. I'm pretty sure that I can. So I really don't want that on there. I think it might be under here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. So that's gone. Now we just need to link it up and we should be good to go. All right, we're going to save this form and then we're going to grab the code. Okay, keep in mind everything that I do, I'm doing stuff that requires very little coding because I really don't know how to code very much. So there's a WordPress plugin, but I don't really think I need a WordPress plugin. I think I'll just throw it on there. Okay, I need to paste this into the sidebar. So copy and paste the embed code for the closing body site. Okay, and then paste that on the sidebar. Okay, so it sounds pretty straightforward. We're going to paste this somewhere in the body. Let's see. Sometimes themes give you the option to put in like a tracking code for like Facebook pixels and stuff like that. I don't know if this one does or not, but we'll find out. Might be under custom actions. I'm not sure. No, not what I'm looking for. So something like this, I may actually have to go find documentation. So it might be easier for me to just download the plugin in this scenario. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and upload the plugin. Activate it. All right, let me look up this API key. I'm just looking for the API key now. I think I got it, but just trying to get it to recognize. All right, awesome. So I got it connected. So I just had to enter in my API key there. Okay, so now no opt-ins can be found for this site, probably because it's not configured all the way. So let's take a look. Hey, Tommy, what's up? Tommy says, whoa, is this real? Cool. Hey, what's up, Tommy? Yeah, this is real. This is absolutely as real as it gets. Must provide a valid domain. Weird. Oh, I know why it's not working, because I'm on localhost right now. So otherwise my site would be showing up there, but because I'm on localhost, it's not. So that's kind of annoying. So I may not be able to do that till I go live, unless I can assign localhost in here, but I really don't know if I can. Let's just try it. Be funny if it works. No, it doesn't look like it's going to. No. Okay, so the only way I'm going to be able to put it in there then is to put in that code that I was trying to do before. Trying to remember where it was. You mentioned using ConvertKit in a webinar I watched. How is it working out for you? ConvertKit is working out great. I love ConvertKit. It's pretty much all I'm using right now. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. I'm gonna just try pasting this in the widget. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try it out. So I'm just gonna paste this into a text widget. We'll just put it up here and try it out and see if it works. May or may not work. I may have to wait to put the sidebar on once it's live, or the opt-in widget. Okay, there it is. Okay, so probably will need to make my sidebar either a little bit bigger to accommodate this, or shrink the button, maybe the button text a little bit. Maybe I'll just do that. It'll be easier for now. All that to get that on there, right? Took a long time. Should say register or sign up. There we go. All right, cool. So that is good. There's a lot of stuff I don't want on here, like all of this stuff. Recent comments, archives, categories. I don't know, we'll see. Recent comments I definitely don't want. Archives I definitely don't care about. Meta I don't care about. So let's see where that puts us. So we got recent posts, categories, about me. Okay, and then I want to get rid of that. So we probably will, let's work on the about me, and we're probably going to move the about me up to maybe right here. Let's get rid of MailChimp. So for the about me, I'll throw in a picture, because right now there's like this weird looking thing there. Let's throw in a picture of me. I actually found one that we can use. Just have to pull it back up again. Okay, I found one. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to upload it to our media library. So let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to drag it in there. That didn't work. There we go. Okay, drag it in there, and I'm going to grab the URL of it. And under the widgets again, I'm going to drop, well, I'm going to just use this About Us widget and throw my image in there. So we'll just say, I'm an online entrepreneur, a passion for helping people turn their ideas into profits. Okay, let's see what that looks like. All right, cool. Good enough for now. Maybe I'll change it later, but for now, it works. It's there. So next, I mean, I could swap around this stuff, swap around my social media featured video. Let's see how that works. Okay, so I can just put anything there. So that's pretty cool. So I'll split this same video as my featured one since it's the first one. All right, cool. And let's refresh. Awesome. So there it is. All right, so there we go. I mean, that's pretty much the gist of it. You know, I think I'm going to probably going to go and upload this live once we turn off the live stream. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the content. Figure probably won't add it all in while it's on my local site. I'll start adding it live now that I kind of have the basic design. I guess before I do that, I maybe will try out the white color scheme and see, you know, how that looks, because I guess, you know, we kind of were going back and forth with, do we like white? Do we like green? You know, who knows? Let's try it out though and see. So you guys can be the judge now. When I switch this over to the white color scheme, you guys have to let me know, do you like the white better or do you like the green background better? So I'm referring to this down here. So first I have to change the typography colors because right now they're all white. And if I make a white background, well, they're not going to show up. So let's do that first. So let's do blog post title. That's not the right one. Blog entry title. Let's make that black. And then we need to make the main body text. I think it was main body text. I don't know. Somewhere. There it is. Okay. And then let's do the sidebar too. Make that black. Forgot which one it was now. Let's see. Here it is. And then links. Okay. Now we're going to switch this color to white, right? And you guys let me know which one you like best for the background. Do you like the green background or do you like the white? So here we go. And there's a delay on the stream, so probably going to take a while before I see your guys' response. So I will answer questions and just talk in the meantime. But let me know, what do you guys like better? Do you like the green background or do you like the white background? So let me know in the chat box, green background or white background. You guys, based on what you say, is probably what I'll end up uploading the site with. Tyson says, hey, Paul, I need to catch up on your videos. Just a quick shout out. Thanks for all the content you've been producing. Hey, thanks, man. I really appreciate that. Means a lot. And, you know, I definitely will keep putting out content and stuff. And I'm just so happy that you enjoy it. Jess says green background and black text looks good. So you like the black text better than the white? Okay, cool. Let's just see what that looks like again. Zay says green too. Okay, awesome. I forgot what the black color was. So what I'm going to do, and I'm just not going to save any of these changes. Green fun, white biz. Well, I think Tommy Lee says that, and I think that's a real good analogy or a good observation, and I think I agree with you. But I think that my business overall in general is more of a fun feel than a biz feel. Wouldn't you guys agree? Like with my logo and stuff, it's like, kind of splattered and stuff. And my whole style really isn't meant to be too serious business. It's meant to be more like fun business, I guess. So I think the green kind of fits. I kind of like it. And I think it matches everything. So I think I'm cool with that. Let's try this black again, the black text. The white looks a little bit more professional, but the green does have a more relaxed energy. Cool. So it sounds like to me that either one is going to be just fine. Kind of just a preference at this point, it sounds like, based on what everyone's saying. And then for the text, if we do go green, do you guys like the black text better or the white text? I'm going to try to change it all and see. Okay. So the black text on the green background or the white text on the green background? I wonder if I can change the font of this. I'm sure I can. I just don't know where it is, but that might be kind of cool too. Oh, looks like I can change them all at once. That's pretty awesome. All right, cool. So yeah, anyways, I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap up here. Black pops more, everyone's saying. Black and green would be my vote. It's a little easier on the eyes. Okay, cool. Awesome. I appreciate that, guys. I appreciate all the input. It's been fun. I'm going to wrap the live stream up now. If you guys have anything you want to see in the future, though, leave a thing in the chat box or in the comment box. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you like this live stream stuff, let me know. I can do more live streams like this. But just let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll do it. We'll make it happen. All right, guys, take care. It's been a pleasure, and we'll see you soon.